For the longest time, I was using these zip screws, self-tappers, to assemble things and hold them still on the bus. But after about 10,000 miles, less than that really, see how that one's loose already? The vibration from the diesel and the road shakes these loose. So we're upgrading to these rivnuts. Show you how they work. Remove the bracket or mark your holes. Drill them out with the correct size. Here's the tool, just like a rivet gun. And screw your little insert on the thread. Place in the hole, squeeze it together. Unscrew it. That's it. So now it's a threaded hole in the wall that's riveted to the metal, rather than the hole being the screw hole also with the rivet. That's why they shake loose. I feel much more secure about it now. I use these on the corner of the refrigerator also. That's where they've been installed. And they're not as important on things like holding a little bracket in the light. You still use the self-tappers. Now I gotta go through the rest of the bus and fix what else came loose. So the kit comes with a bunch of different ones. We can get different sizes. Ones I was using was the 10 by 24 with some Allen head 3/4 inch long screws. And I got it on Amazon. I don't have an affiliate link or anything, but you can do the search.